What's up everybody, my name is Ibra and welcome to my channel. It's still a sunny February and it's time to change my wheels. As I said many times in my videos that cabrios are summer cars and my cabrio has winter tires. Now it's time to replace it. I will change my clothes, I will prepare the wheels, and I'm going to start replacing the wheels. Since it's a little dark, I will prepare the garage, I will put some lights and starting. So I've taken out the wheels. These are original style 68 M Sport wheels. That is given with the first generation, first M Sport wheels as far as I know. And I was lucky to find the fifth wheel that is driven a little, but it's in very good condition. So I have 3 for front and 2 from the rear, 7.5J, 8.5J. I will give them a quick wash and after that I will fit them to the car. Let's start with the cleaning part. I have purchased also spacer. These are 20mm spacer. I will fit them with the rear wheels so the car can have a more aggressive look from behind. For 20-ish years driven wheels, they look awesome. They are in really perfect condition. I have no idea in your country how easy you can find original spare parts, original wheels, M Sport wheels, but these are looking perfect for me. So they are all washed and ready to fit to the car. I will prepare the light, I will prepare my instrument, take a little break and start fitting them. While changing your wheels, one of the most important things that you have to be careful is the key bolt. These are anti-thief key bolt that you shouldn't be using with the power tool. So I will remove this by hand and rest of them I will use the power tool. What I like the most about the BMW 3 Series, when I jack the car from this side, I can lift the both sides. It's up here and up here, so it will be saving time for me. My power tool wasn't enough, this one up to 400 Newton meters, so I have to remove it by myself. Okay, so the first wheel is done. Since I have a little trust issue with this power tool, because this is not the best of the market, but it works nice, I will lower it, I will hand tight the bolts just to make sure that everything is fine, and going to the other one. Okay, good. Okay, I got some bad news. So someone abused this lock bolt, and once I push this in, most probably it will break down. So what I've done, I removed from the other side the other two to make sure that they are coming off, and most likely after I hit this in, I won't be able to remove this, which means that I will need to buy new lock bolts, but it's totally fine. I have some spare regular bolts that I will continue for some period, but let's go remove this one and get rid of this rusty lock bolt. So as expected, this is totally stuck inside. It's good that I removed the other two locks. This was the last one, so no more. I will need a new one. When you have a new car, it is totally expected to have some issues while changing the wheels for the first time. So one lock bolt was stuck and I couldn't do anything to remove it. And the second one, there was a bolt that was bent. For the time being, I will just put the wheels with the regular bolts. I will skip the spacers for now. I will have some test run, and after that, when I'm sure that everything is fine, then I will fit the spacers. For now, let's continue with the regular bolts. I found some spare from my in my garage. I'm so proud of myself by doing just this type of mistakes. I know that I shouldn't be counting on this jack. I've been using this for years, so the car just slid off from the jack. Now I'm waiting for a friend to save my ass. Yeah, this is totally ruined. This thing ruined 2 hours of my life. Next thing is investing more money for a decent jack and waiting for a friend to save my ass. Good job. So a friend of mine came and he saved my ass. For now I took the car for a short ride. I'm really happy how the wheels look on the car, and we have enough space here for spacers. I will continue tomorrow. I will give a quick wash to the car. I will put the spacers, take some pictures, and you can see with spacers and without spacers how it looks like.